obviously. And then going back up here, just to check the links right quick, and I'll be very, very brief with this. Chapter 1 with the links, what'd you have? Switch gears with me. We haven't talked about LeVar Ball today. LeVar Ball, I mean, there's the article is in there, and then also the actual clip where he says what he says. The California recall ballot is in there. Make sure that you take a look at that, because this was the one that actually has the 2 questions and who ran. The Catholic school teacher article, or video I should say, is the one that's with my former intern, kind of explaining how to answer short answer questions. Chapter 2, looking again back at these. Bear with me, bear with me, bear with me. Blah, 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 blah. You've got Schoolhouse Rock Fireworks, Melissa Nelson, and Anthony Elmas. If there's an article and a link, that's probably a pretty good sign. So make sure that you're comfortable with those. And I don't believe that there are any links on Chapter 3. So it'll just be the 1 article for the 9 o'clock or the 2 articles for the 10 or the 11. Have y'all got any other questions? Yes?
Which article did you say was for the 9 o'clock?
It's the one that we did today.
Okay.
Yeah, it'll be the only one that's posted in Chapter 3.
Okay, it's not posted yet.
No, we just went over it. Yeah, I'm going to add that when I get the videos in. Yes, Aron?
So you just said, like a few minutes ago, you said while the obstacles are still active. Did you say you were going to take them home?
I'm sorry, say what now?
Are you going to take the articles home?
No, I'm not going to take the articles.
Okay.
No, they were on the big screen while the articles are on the big screen.
Okay.
Yes, just.
Are there any other terms we don't have to worry about?
I think we got them pretty well covered, and I think y'all asked about just about all of them. I think really there's a couple of pieces to be in mind here. It's going to be a little bit more article heavy, so there's going to be a decent chunk of multiple choice questions for articles, and there's going to be 5 out of 8 short answers to deal with articles. There's probably still 18 questions that are coming from terms and links too. So make sure that you go back through these, and some of these, like when we talked about fractions, there might be 6 or 7 answers. And we dropped from the fractions. Let me go back to that. 2/3, 3/5, 3/4, 9/13, 13/13.
What?
What were 9/13?
It was 9 states.
9 states to ratify the Constitution, or 9 states to pass a law under the Articles of Confederation. What was 13/13? We just talked about this in the classes this week.
That was Article 7.
Article 7 was 9/13. And we'll come back to the articles because you asked that question. But again, what was 13/13?
That was what it originally said. It has to be unanimous.
Had to be unanimous to do what under the Articles of Confederation? Amend. Had to be unanimous to amend. And you had asked about articles before. Article 1 is the legislative branch. Article 2 is the executive. Article 3 is the courts. Article 5 deals with constitutional amendments. Article 6 deals with the Supremacy Clause. And Article 7 deals with ratification.
What's the supremacy?
The Constitution is the supreme law of the land. In the 9 o'clock class, we went over that today, and in the 10 o'clock class, we went over that on Wednesday. Yeah. So that's all. Malky, you're making a face. You ready for this?
No.
Okay. I've started to send out emails, and I'm going to be emailing as I go, like with DSS stuff. If you have an accommodation that requires notes, I posted a good chunk of notes in my box outside of my office door. I just got the last of the notes right before the review session. That's part of the reason why I was late. So I'm going to go make copies of those, and I'm going to get those ready in the box outside of my office as well. So if you have an accommodation, don't hesitate to stop by, grab some of the notes, and we will go from there. Okay? Good luck, y'all. You can stop.